Yeah, right there is perfect.
Hey, what's up everybody? This is Tommy G with The New TV, getting you in the loop with San Francisco. We want to take a closer look at the city. We want to take a closer look at you. We're here to take a closer look at the San Francisco style.
Can y'all handle this? I think y'all can handle this. Thank you, moderate. We're changing our clothes up in front of people all the time, so see, for me, it's not a big deal. I would just right now. That's one thing I love. I love microphones. I love microphones. I can talk all day in the microphone. What did you just do to this one? I just get you on my butt and I haven't even touched him yet. I can't believe it. What's his name again? Next.
You know they're not going to use this because
I
you're just
know.
like babbling and like we're going on and on and on.
Because it's all about you at Denu.